The guys, this is a tutorial of how to overlay the instrument mixed with the vocals. So I got the vocals from the keep voice button and got the beat from remove voice button. So here are the results of the vocals.
Do you know that feeling of a bright and sunny day? Well, that's the feeling that I get when I tell a kid they can play. Your butterflies, my poison spiders, your rainbows, my haze.
Then here is the beat. Oh wait, that's the vocals. Sorry guys, this might take and will. OMG, I'm raging so bad. I wanna hit my phone. In making mistake by an accident. And also my percent is at 67. Not the vocals
Do you know
again.
that feeling of a bright and sunny the feeling that
Okay, there we go finally. Then the beat. Then all together.
just a little bit bad, and I don't know why, but I don't.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy this.